Well, good morning, ladies and gents. We're about to crush a leg workout. We are joined by the one, the only, Gary. He's going to be crushing legs with us. What kind of knee sleeves you using, man?
They're called Bear Compo.
You like them?
I love them, man. Of course, they're the only ones I've ever had, but yeah,
Pretty thick.
Bear Compo. Not super thick.
I need to get some more. Mine are about to crash on me. But you're doing a 90-day cut, right?
I am.
90-day cut?
I'm about 60 days into it. I got 30 days into it, yeah.
30 days into it.
Yep.
How many pounds down?
I'm down 7.
Wow. I like it.
But it's going a little bit slower than the first time. This is the second time I'm actually doing DSK.
It's always a little slower the second time.
Is it? Okay,
yeah,
good. That makes
it's
me feel
normal.
better.
You ready to crush some squats?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right.
You ready, babe?
Yep, ready.
Okay, you just woke up.
I feel like it.
Low kick. Low kick.
Y'all, the workout is done. The team meeting that we had this morning is done. I've just been working on the computer, getting emails answered, getting clients taken care of, and just rocking the day. Got the crew out there. We're making bricks right now. We're shipping bricks right now. Today is good. It was awesome working out with Gary. Gary is one of Crystal's former clients. I think they're still doing the training portion of the client work now. I'm not really sure, to be honest. But he's doing the DSK 90-day cut. He's seeing great success so far. Super proud of him. He's also making like a home gym kind of setup as well. So he wanted to see what that equipment that we got was like. So let's go outside and check out the crew. I want to see how everything's going. I just was out there a minute ago signing some cards that we put in all the packages for the brick orders. But I want to see what we got going on right now. By the way, my new shoes came in, the Under Armour shoes. I like them a lot. They're already covered in mud. This is the Fat Tire. They paired up with Michelin, and they make these cross-country all-terrain shoes. I like that they have this little boa thing instead of shoelaces, so that's cool. But they're covered in mud now. So, ooh, it's bright out here. Let's go see what is going on up in the brick production headquarters. We got more storage racks, y'all. I don't know if y'all knew that, but we've got racks on racks on racks to go with our bricks on bricks on bricks. What's going on up in here? Look at all these bricks getting shipped out.
Yo, I want to pause the music.
You don't like little Slim Shady? What's going on here? We got coconut, bricks. We got Brandon over here.
What's up?
Working on some mixing action.
Yeah, learning how the magic happens.
How's it going, man? Are you an official brick maker now?
I'm
think
getting
so.
there.
You getting
I'm
there?
Corey's getting me there.
How's it going, Corey? You doing all right?
Good, pretty good.
You doing okay?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Dylan, you gotta work faster, man. You said you were gonna work fast when the camera came out here. Woo, look at that. All right, y'all, just for the record, Bryson and Dylan are the tricksters here. Don't ever trust anything they say. All right, y'all, I'm gonna run to Bass Pro Shop real quick. Just got off a client call, just got off a business development call, just got off a podcast. I need to get away from the computer for a little bit. I'm gonna run to Bass Pro Shop and get some necessities for the trip I have coming up this weekend. All right, y'all, just left the Come and Go gas station. I wanted to get me some caffeine real quick. This is the second one of these I've ever had. It's called Uptime. Sorry, there's so many shadows in here right now. There's 142 milligrams of caffeine, and the ingredients are pretty clean. I'm a fan of it thus far. I don't get a crash. But I will say this. There was a bunch of kids checking out in line. They were getting like Snickers bars and Slurpees, and not good. Where does the world coming to? Get you some healthy food. Feel bad saying that with an energy drink in my hand, but at least it's not a Snickers. Alright, y'all, I'd take a little intermission. I couldn't go to Bass Pro Shop yet because the traffic was just too crazy. So instead, we finished up the gym. Check this out. So we have both weight stacks installed now. Again, going into 300 pounds, but we had the first 100 pounds in 10-pound increments and the last 200 pounds in 20-pound increments. So when you pull down on them, it no longer locks out at the pulley. So shout out to Corey for getting things done and Crystal for supervising. About to go run my 6 miles and then I'm gonna go to Bass Pro Shop. Boom, Crystal got some new lifting shoes.
Woo!
What have we got?
Written note.
What's it say?
It says, "Thank you for shopping Atomics. Enjoy these lifting straps as a gift."
Oh, that's mighty sweet of them.
So they gave me some lifting straps.
You wanna trade mine?
Nope.
The pink one? I
Woo!
like it. It's pretty sweet. What's the other side look like? I like it. You like them?
I love them. I think they look so good. Black, white, and gray.
Perfect. Brandon, what do you think about your day mixing bricks?
It was a lot of learning.
A lot of
learning, but it was awesome to see how it all goes down.
Very good.
So yeah, trying to get up to speed as fast as possible.
Only gonna get better from here, man.
That's right, absolutely.
All right, y'all, just got done with my run. Did 6.7 miles just now. Felt pretty good. Not too much of an issue. About to head to the gym and take a shower. Our shower is getting finished up tomorrow, I believe. Before I do that, I'm gonna eat a piece of Lily's chocolate and chit chat with y'all because it was so dark in here. Gotta shoot my bow tonight still as well. Just wanted to say, this is kind of a short video, but today was an awesome day. Brandon came in here. This is his second day at work. He kind of got to test everything out. He was able to mix the bricks, pour the bricks, batch the bricks, and kind of see how the operation went. Had a great run, had a great workout. Gary came in here, one of Crystal's former clients. We worked out, did legs together. There's just so much that I'm excited about in life right now. I've got an awesome crew. I've got an awesome team. I've got an awesome fiance that I'm going to marry this month. Life is good. The business is growing. I'm healthy. I'm happy. This is what I aspire to do. I aspire to live in a way that I find fulfillment, in a way that is inspirational in some form or fashion to others, and brings good into the world. Find that, and you'll be happy. Find that, and you can't go wrong. And live it and breathe it every single day. Good night.